5-minute morning meditation for gratitude and to reduce anxiety. Hi, it's John here from Mindset Universe, and in this video I'm going to show you a super 5-minute meditation that is great for developing gratitude and also reducing anxiety fast. And very quickly, to be the first to see all my latest videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell notification. Now there's some fantastic content and also quite a few free guides coming your way, so please don't take the chance of missing out. Also, if you're looking for other great ways to reduce anxiety and become a better you today, then check out some of the great resources in the video description below. Now, meditation is a great technique that can help us take each moment one at a time. It can ground us in the present, and it also prevents irrational fears from developing into something a lot more serious. Meditation doesn't block out negative emotions, but instead it helps us to learn how to not linger on those emotions. So how can you start meditation? Now, this is a lot easier than you might think, and there are meditation techniques that are ideal, for complete beginners or for the more experienced. Now, if you're new to meditation, then this one's going to be ideal for you. So try doing this. Get into a routine of meditation as soon as possible. How about doing this first thing in the morning? Find somewhere as quiet as possible and then sit peacefully for 5 minutes. Now, let thoughts enter your mind, but the trick here is to not let these thoughts linger. You just want to let the thoughts wash over you. And really importantly, you want to refuse to let any negativity ruin your day. Now, the end goal of this meditation is to have control over your thoughts and accept them for what they are. And that, what they are just thoughts. So why should you meditate? If you are anxious, tense or worried, then meditation can be really effective in reducing any level of anxiety. Just 5 minutes each morning can help to restore a sense of calm and also a complete sense of inner peace. Now, I've used this morning meditation as the example because that is what has worked best for us. But you can of course do this wherever you are, or whenever you want to do it. The one obvious exception is obviously to make sure it is safe to do so. Now, here's some other scenarios where you can meditate and reduce levels of anxiety. How about when you're out for a walk? Now, my wife swears by this and loves to meditate when having her daily walk. Phone apps like Calm, these are great for this, and have some brilliant timed meditation programs. With earplugs in, the walk can turn into a soothing, guided meditation session, obviously complete with things like calming nature sounds in the background. Now, as said before, please make sure that this is safe to do so. When you take away your hearing from the external surroundings, then you need to be extra careful to make sure your walk is safe. Ensure that you scan your surroundings more frequently. Another scenario might be when you're on the bus, you're on the train, or maybe you're flying in an aircraft. Recently I needed to fly long distance. Now, I'll be honest, I'm not the best flyer, and the idea of being in the same aircraft with 200 other people for more than 5 hours always fills me with complete dread. So, why do I have this anxiety? Well, noise sensitivity with anxiety is very, very common. If you're doing your best to calm your mind and control your thoughts, then having all that chatter, babies crying and maybe drunk passengers behind you, then this is not going to help. The answer I found was to buy a pair of noise cancelling headphones. I managed to get a pair of Sony headphones, which have completely changed my approach to travelling with the general public. And of course, other makes and models are available. Now, these headphones allowed me to shut out the majority of the noise on these flights and even to practice some meditation. They now always have a full charge, and they're just ready to find their way into my bag. Another common scenario is having anxiety at work. Now, as you probably know, job stress is way up there with one of the most common causes of stress and anxiety. If it happens, make an excuse to grab 5 minutes to yourself somewhere, away from the office or away from the factory or wherever you work. I mean, I have friends who do this by visiting the toilet, believe it or not, just by sitting in the cubicle for a few moments and maybe snatching a quick listen to a meditation app can really help to send those anxious thoughts away. So how do you feel? I'd love to hear if this meditation method works for you. So as always, sharing is caring, so let us all know in the comments below the video. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and try not to worry when you don't have to.